How's it going, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot your power outlet in the car. In my case, if I turn on the ignition and try to plug in anything, it simply doesn't work. To troubleshoot the issue, I'm going to use this power probe tool. It has a really long cable. It hooks up to your car battery, and then you can reach pretty far and use it to test electrical components in your car. So over here, ignition is on. If I touch the outside, the ground is there, but if I touch the center pin, nothing. Normally with ignition turned on, you're supposed to get 12 volts. So the very first thing you want to check is the fuses for the power outlet, and there are a couple of different ways to do that. Number one, on the back of the cover you have this little tool which you can use to pull out individual fuses and check them and see if they're blown or not. You can also use the owner's manual. Look in there, find the diagram and find the exact fuse that you need and just check that one. But by far the easiest way is to use this same tool, the power probe. And all we're gonna do is touch both sides of the fuse, and they both should have either ground or 12 volts passing through. All right, so you can just check all of them. Sometimes you will find a couple more blown fuses not related to your issue. So I checked all of these already and none of them are blown. Next, let's check the fuse box inside the cabin. In this case, it's hiding behind this coin tray, and as you can see, there's a couple more fuses in here. And after checking them all, sure enough, I found the blown one. So check this out. This side got no signal, and this one has 12 volts. So 12 volts coming to this side, but never passing to the other side. Let's grab this little fuse puller tool, take that one out. And if you look at the light, you'll see that this fuse is definitely blown and it needs to be replaced. In our case, it's 15 amps fuse, and luckily I have one of those. So we're gonna grab one of the spare ones in the back of the fuse box cover. All right, we're gonna simply install the new fuse and test the power outlet next. Let's turn on the ignition and check the, still got the ground on the outside, and the center pin is now getting 12 volts. And if I plug in my little backup monitor camera, you can see it's coming on now. And if you're interested, I'm going to post a link for this power probe tool down in the description area below. I hope the video was helpful, and if so, please give it a like. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.